Suspense continues to build if wrestler Vinesh Fogart will contest one Haryana elections or not, and if she does from the Congress party because she met Rahul Gandhi recently, what constituency, what seat would she get? This is after Vinesh Fogart met Rahul Gandhi, all smiles. Sources reveal that she may either contest the elections from Charkhi Dadri, which is her home constituency, or she may contest from the Julana seat, which is the home of her parents-in-law. Meanwhile, amid all of this, while the speculation is still on, Union Minister and former Chief Minister of Haryana, Manohar Lal Khattar, took a jibe at Vinesh Fogart, claimed that this shows that the issues Fogart was raising in the past on the streets were political in nature and she just wanted the Congress ticket for the elections. But on the other hand, sources say wrestler Bajrang Punia, who we have seen with Vinesh Fogart on the streets during the protest and recently when she returned, may not be getting a ticket and is likely to be given a post in the organization, and that some important responsibilities be coming for him. While the talks are on, meanwhile, between Aam Aadmi Party and Congress for a possible alliance against BJP for the seat-sharing talk soon. Amid all of this, remember, BJP has already announced the first list, specifically with the caste outreach and women faces that they have announced.
देखिए, कुल मिला के एक राजनीतिक चक्र में मैं समझता हूँ हमारे वो साथी खिलाड़ी हैं उसमें फंसे थे, उस समय फंसे थे। आज उसका पटाक्षेप हो रहा है कि वही लोग आज मिलकर के कांग्रेस के नेताओं के साथ टिकट की गुहार कर रहे हैं। इसका मतलब ये है कि वो जो सारा विषय था वो राजनीति से ओतप्रोत था। उस समय तो एकदम इसको शायद इतनी साफगोई से कोई नहीं कह सकता था, लेकिन आज तो साफगोई हो गई कि वही लोग आज कांग्रेस की टिकट के लिए उनके पास जा रहे हैं और वो भी कह रहे हैं चुनाव लड़ाएंगे। इसका मतलब वो सारा जो राजनीति से प्रेरित वो एक विषय मुझे लगता है।
पहले भी इनके समझौते हुए हैं और दोनों पार्टियों का जिस प्रकार का शासन प्रक्रिया लूट की राजनीति कांग्रेस पार्टी ने भी की है, आम आदमी पार्टी ने भी की है, और दिल्ली में जिस प्रकार से देखा, पंजाब में किस प्रकार से देखा है, और हरियाणा प्रदेश में भी कांग्रेस पार्टी ने इस देश में व्यय भूख और भ्रष्टाचार को बढ़ावा देने का काम किया है। और लोकतंत्र की परंपरा में गठबंधन करना ये सभी पार्टियों का अपना अधिकार है, वो जो भी करेंगे वो।
देखिए, बीजेपी को हराने के लिए जो भी जरूरी होगा उसको करेंगे। अभी केजरीवाल जी कल आ जाएंगे, उसके बाद में उस पर फाइनल निर्णय होगा कि क्या करना है, लेकिन बीजेपी को हराना बहुत जरूरी है।
सर, कितनी सीटों पर समझौता हो सकता है?
वो अभी कुछ नहीं हो रहा, अभी कुछ जो होगा वो आपके सामने आ गया होगा। तो
वेणुगोपाल जी की उनके साथ क्या चर्चा हुई उसका मुझसे अभी अंदाज नहीं है, मगर जो कुछ भी सॉल्यूशन होगा वो बेहतर और सबको स्वीकार्य, यानी कि उनको भी स्वीकार्य, अच्छा लगे। और अल्टीमेटली द गोल इज के बीजेपी को हराना है, तो इसी प्रकार का सॉल्यूशन ढूंढने का हमारा प्रयास रहेगा।
मेरा पर्सनल व्यू है, इनके साथ जितनी दूरी रखें उतनी ही हमें अच्छी रहेगी। पंजाब में हमने ये बात साबित कर दी, ये 92 से 32 पर आ गए, और 32 पर आने के बावजूद इनका जो तौर तरीका है वो आपके सामने भगवान बोला हुआ है इनको। और इसीलिए मैं कहता हूं कि आगे हमने इनके साथ हरियाणा में, गुजरात में और दिल्ली में इकट्ठे इनसे अलायंस में इलेक्शन लड़ी और नेट रिजल्ट 0 था। मगर आप पार्टी हाईकमांड क्या इंडिया ब्लॉक को साथ रखना चाहता है, क्या उनकी अपनी सोच है? देखिए, उनकी सोच है ऑल इंडिया लेवल की, हमारी सोच है स्टेट लेवल। मैं अपने हिसाब से बताता हूं कि इनसे जितनी दूरी रखोगे उतना ही अच्छा।
So I want to now bring in Kamaljeet Sandhu, who's tracking all the latest coming in from Haryana. Kamaljeet, good morning. Clearly a lot of political temperature that's rising. Tell us first, let's discuss about Vinesh Fogart, because that's where the focus has been, a lot of attention. What are you picking up about what happened, what is expected, and then the AAP Congress alliance?
Haryana politics is turning into a political dangle of sorts
Yes.
with the name of Vinesh Fogart as well as Bajrang Punia. Now, a lot of people said Punia did not really have a winnability factor, which Vinesh has. Will she, won't she, is being a factor because she's actually kept cards completely close to her chest. But every indication is the way she's been meeting about Congress leaders, Bhupinder Hooda and eventually Rahul Gandhi. The writing seems to be on the wall that Vinesh Fogart will eventually fight, maybe from Charkhi Dadri, maybe from Julana. That's the indication. And also, Congress would want to cash in on her winnability as well as the popularity that she's gained post-Olympics. So even though she may not have won the medals, but they think she's won the hearts. Now, there has been obviously a political turmoil as well with Brij Bhushan episode and the entire controversy. But it's not the first time that the players have been called into politics. We've seen earlier Yogeshwar Dutt, however, though he had made a cryptic post, he's not got a ticket from BJP, but all indications are that there are several, like for instance, Deepak Hooda, the national football kabaddi player, he's been given a ticket from BJP. So the players in Haryana do hold a lot of influence, and that is why it's also the political parties, be it BJP or the Congress. But meanwhile, Vinesh seems to be in the eye of the storm, as well as somebody who's a very central character as far as Haryana sports as well as politics is concerned. So Congress would want to benefit from that particular popularity of hers. But obviously, we've seen
Stay on with me. It's not just about the Congress camp or Vinesh Fogart. Another wrestler appears to be, or another athlete, so to say, has come in on this.